Okay, so we've written this down. Okay, so yesterday we talked about it being important when to use a credit card and when not to use a credit card. And we saw some issues like paying minimum payments was really not a good idea because it just took forever to pay it off and you end up paying a lot more money. Well, we're going to go along those same lines but talk about other stuff. So we've got Rebecca, and she did not pay last month's credit card bill in full. If this had started off with the statement, Rebecca paid last month's credit card bill in full, then she wouldn't owe any interest on this next month's bill. Not until she doesn't pay it on time. Pay the full amount on time. So, they didn't say that, but if it did, then you know there wouldn't be any interest charges. So, this one is asking us to find her average daily balance. Well, this one's real nice. It's not like the problems that I made up. This one is more, hey, it tells you that for 7 days she owed that amount. So we would just do 7 times 456.11. And then 3 times 1,177.60. That's not how much extra she charged, it's just how much she owed. And then for 6 days, 990.08. And so on. Running out of room. And then, oops, I forgot to multiply that times 5. So, how are we going to figure out what to divide this by? How do we know if it's 30 or 31 or 28?
You add up the days.
Say that again?
You add up the days.
Yeah, you add up the days. So we have 7, 3, 6, 9, and 5 days. So y'all add those up and tell me what that is.
30.
Yes, it is 30. Very good. So now the top amount ends up being $43,248.05. Double check my arithmetic. It is early. And then we divide that by 30. I think I'm going to replug that in and make sure. Did y'all plug that in? Did y'all get that? I'll do it real quick. Yeah, that's what I got on top. So to the nearest penny, how much is it when you divide it by 30?
$1,441.60.
Absolutely right. So that's her average daily balance. It's important to know because that's what the credit card company is going to use to charge her interest, which they're going to have to charge because she didn't pay her balance in full. Okay, the next one, the next bit of information gives us her APR, which stands for what? It's okay. Look at these words. It's annual percentage rate. Annual percentage rate. It's 22%, and we want to know her finance charge for this billing cycle. So this might be something we go back and look at, because we had those steps of things that we had to do here. Okay, what was step 1? Angela, do you remember? Or are you looking it up real quick? That's fine.
Divide the APR by 365 to get the BPR.
Very good. 22% divided by 365, which we can do this first and then move the decimal if we want to. Oops, I'll get that in a minute. We got 0.060%. And what is that as a decimal? I move the decimal 2 places to the left. Yeah, 0.00060. So that's the number that we multiply times the average daily balance. And we also multiply it by something else. Do you remember what? It helps. This is the daily percentage rate.
Number of days.
There you go. So you need the number of days. So go ahead and to the nearest cent. Casey, when you multiply that out, let me know what you get. Does it round up? What's after the 4? There you go. Yep, it's $25.95. That's the finance charge. Okay, we're going to do just a few more of these and make sure we've got it figured out. We're going to talk about starting off with a balance of $1,000. And on the first day of the billing cycle, we are going to charge $2,000. We want to know what is the average daily balance. And this is for 30-day cycle. That's a question mark. Well, average daily balance is fairly easy for this kind of problem, because on the very first day we charged the $2,000. So that means for the entire 30 days, how much is on the credit card?
Did I give it 40,000?
Say that again.
Negative 1,000.
Negative 1,000. Okay. Balance means that's how much is already on the card. And the 2,000 means we charge that much more.
Oh, so you add to it.
So you add to it. So it's how much?
3,000.
3,000. So that's the average daily balance. Didn't have to do any extra work there just because we charged it the very first day.